Hello my viewers, today we will unbox the IN02A fingerprint and RFID timekeeping biometric with access control. So what's in a box of IN02A? Let's see. First we have here the installation guide. Okay. Next, we have the 16 gig flash drive. This is for free, which contains the TouchLink Time Recorder version 3 software installer and the video manuals. Next is the machine, the IN02A. And then the backup battery. Okay. Next, we have the back plate used for wall mounting installation. Then we have the power cord. Next, the 12-volt power adapter. Then the colored wires, AC connection, and USB cable, along with the balls and screw.